Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 13th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru, with 4 stars. But you are interested in this one, yes. The binary puzzle. The binary puzzle number. This will be number 8387. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Should be a hard one. 14. We will see if this is a hard one. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Let me see. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are 1s. Let me see. Well. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. Well, I think we need to compare. Yeah, with this column and that column. All right. 1, 1, empty box. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Oh, wait. This digit. We have a O here. This should be a 1. This is the wrong box. Okay. Should be this one. Okay. Now we have double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, one, there one. Double 1 here, no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. And 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 4 minutes. Well, took me more because I've made here. Draw the wrong box. This box should be the good one. But we solved again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it all solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later on with the last puzzle for today. Until then, bye bye for now.